Hello and welcome back to the active showroom here at St.Albert Dodge. Today, this 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is listed. What do we have here? Is this stock? Absolutely not. First things first, 12,000 pound VR12 winch, ready to get you out of any of those sticky situations, okay? Coming around, is this the original color of the vehicle? It is, but it's covered from the front to the rear completely in a satin finish wrap. So full protection to the paint of this vehicle. Oversized tires. 37 by 12.5 inch tires on Aftermarket Pro Comp rims. Just giving it a very, very classy look. Classy. Raised ride height on this guy, 5-inch lift, added with some aftermarket side steps as well. Moving along to the rear, did I mention it's only got 8,800 kilometers? It does. Spare tire with an elongated screw so the backup camera still works. Obviously LED rear lights. Trunk's never been used. Fantastic looks. Full through and through cabin. With the removable roof, obviously, with your Jeep. Okay. Why don't we take a look on what's on the inside? All right, guys, welcome back. The interior of this 2021 Wrangler Rubicon with all these custom additions on the outside. It also comes fairly well equipped on the inside as well. First few things to go over, safety features and tech. This one actually has the advanced safety group, so you're looking at adaptive cruise control here on the steering wheel, full Bluetooth capabilities, of course, parking sensors, heated seats, heated steering wheel, full media applicability here too, so you got your auxiliary USB Type-C and regular USB, sway bar disconnect, your off-road mode, and then your front and rear axle disconnect as well. Okay, hopping into the side steps, sitting in. Like I said, only 8,800 kilometers on this vehicle, so very lightly driven. Looking in, nice extra little boot right here. Okay, with your full winch controller cable from the front. Okay, owner's manual not even opened. Great value for a great vehicle. Guys, if you have any other questions about this or you'd like to book an appointment for a test drive, please call me, Anton, here at St.Albert Dodge. My phone number is 780-952-4472. Thanks.